Shalom everyone, I'm Lady Sarai.
And I'm Edna.
And I hope you guys are ready to dance because today we'll be showing the performance or line dance to City of Gods by Yana Sarai. I hope you guys are as excited as we are. You ready to get started?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go. All right. So the first step is almost like a salsa. You're going to step your foot out. 2, 3, 4. And the hand movement to this is like this. So when you put it all together, it looks just like this. All right, super easy. So the next move from that is we're gonna add the arm movement to it. Each move in this dance is just a 4 count. The next move is simply turning all the way around to the left right after your last step. It looks just like this. And then back to the front. So we're gonna start from the top. You ready? And we're gonna start with the right foot. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Step, 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 and turn.
Turn.
And then back to the front. Super easy, right? All right, so the next move, you're gonna start right from the beginning. It's the very first move, except for this time, you're gonna start with the left leg this time. So it's just step, left, step, right, step, left, step, right. All right? So from there, instead of turning to the left, we're gonna turn to the right this time. And the next move is almost, I call it like a chop, but it's almost like a toe tap. If you're familiar with belly dancing, it's like a toe tap. The move looks just like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. And what you're doing is you're using your right foot to help you pivot, and you're using your toe from your left foot to help you turn. That's all that move is. And you're just using your arms, movement like this to kind of help you go around. All right, we're gonna start from the very beginning with that right foot salsa dance. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and turn. Turn, 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 and left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and chop, 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 chop. All right. So the very next move is my very favorite because it reminds me of like an old school groove. It looks just like this. And that move is simply you stepping your right foot over and left foot back, side, together. And it's what's gonna help you if you actually turn your body with the step. So left, back, side, together. Left, back, side, together. Back, side, together. And if you do it on your tippy toes, it makes it easier if you do a little bounce with it, right? Just to make it more smooth. So, left, back, side, together. Left, back, side, together. Left, back, side, together. All right, so for this move, you're gonna start off by going to the right, and your arms are gonna actually go down like this. And go up when you go back to the left. Right? All right, so we're gonna put that all together from the top. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, turn. 3, 4, left foot. Chop it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. Up, down, up. All right, the next move is super easy. It's just a toe tap, right? So you're gonna step your right foot over your left first. Tap, 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 and tap. All right, and your arms look like this. So you just simply turn them in the air. And that's just a 4 count. You start with the right foot. So ready? We're gonna do that move. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're gonna go right into the next move because I'm sure everyone knows this dance. Don't know what it's called. What do you call it?
Chris Tucker?
I don't know. But it's just you taking your arm and you're kind of like moving your arm to the right. I don't know what this dance is called, but I love it. All right, so you're gonna start to the right after the tap, right? So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all right? And that's it. So we're almost done. We're gonna start from the beginning one more time before we show you the very last step, okay? 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and turn. 2, 3, 4, left, right, left, right, and chop it out. Woo! Yeah. All right, and down, up, and toe tap. 5, 6, 7 to the right. Hey, go down with it. All right. So the very next move is simply just a crisscross and slide and step, 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 step. It looks just like this. Crisscross and slide and kick, 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 kick. And you're gonna do the very next thing to the left is crisscross and slide and kick, 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 kick. Now, if you don't want to do the jump, you don't have to. You can do the modified version, which you step your right foot over your left, step back, and slide. And then again, left foot over and slide. That's the modified version if you don't want to do the jump. It's perfectly fine. So that's it, guys. All right, we're gonna do it one more time, speed it up a little bit, and then we're gonna put the music with it. All right?
Let's get it.
All right, you ready? From the top, starting with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, go. Salsa out. Hey. And turn. 2, 3, and 4. Left foot. 2, 3, 4, and chop, 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 chop. Groove it out. And 1, 2, up, down, up, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Crisscross, crisscross, and slide, and kick, 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 and crisscross, and slide, and kick, 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 kick. All right, woo! That was the end of it. We're gonna put the music together with it, and let's go. You ready?
I wanna see the city of God and all its angels. The angels that stand at the gate so you can't break through. And this is ours for the take two. All we gotta do is seek his face and put our faith in Jesus Cristo. Listo, we so ready for the take two. Make them swallow their pride, tell them this ain't true. And as we rise with a lake view, they'll never tear us down from the place we escaped to.
With you is where I wanna be. Celebrating with you on this high holy day. All night dancing. And I just wanna see the city of God. And now is the time that we celebrate. Can't wait to congregate. Beautiful Zion, let's dance and praise. Can't wait. And I just wanna see the city of God. I'm so happy that you called me. To be a chosen one, the chariots, I hope they save me from the fire when it comes. 'Cause with you is where I wanna be. With you on this high holy day. All night dancing. And I just wanna see the city of God. And now is the time that we celebrate. Can't wait to congregate. Beautiful Zion, let's dance and praise. Can't wait.
Woo! Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as we did. Don't forget to be looking out for Original Royalty, Sister Yana for the Love of the Truth. Be looking out for more how-to videos. And don't forget, you can pause, stop, rewind so that you can learn all the steps. Hope to see you on the dance floor. Shalom.